Hello guys, welcome to Fun Cooking. Well, today we are going to look at how to prepare kebabs. You can do this for your breakfast, for your evening tea. It's a snack, a good snack. Join me and you learn. We are going to need minced meat, coatmill, eggs, onions, soy sauce, wheat flour, corn flour, garlic powder, ginger, black pepper. I'll put some aromat, salt, and we shall need cooking oil. This is some of the cooking oil I'm going to use. Now I am going to break these eggs. We stir them up, put in a pinch of salt, and then we keep them aside. Then we are going to chop our onions. Onions that we're going to use. We now cut our coatmill small pieces to desirable size. Well, at this point, we bring our minced meat, put that aside. We get our minced meat. We are going to start with putting there our salt. Let's make sure the salt enters every bit of the meat. I'm going to put in my ingredients right now. I'll start with the onions. Spread them throughout the meat. Now we are going to put in our other ingredients. I'm going to start with the ginger powder, do not put too much. I'll follow it up with the garlic powder. Then I can now put in black pepper. It's enough. And add in some Aromat. Continue with our mixture. So at this point, as you can see, we are going to put in our corn flour. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons. Let me first mix. Corn flour. At this point, we are going to put in our wheat flour slowly by slowly as we mix to make a good paste. See that? See that, guys? I'm now going to put in a little soy sauce. It's enough. That's enough. Very good experience. As you can see, we are done with our mixture. At this moment, we are going to roll out our desirable kebabs. I am not going to do very big rolls. I believe my desirable size will be where you roll as you put some wheat flour. Let me make it smaller. Yes, this size is enough for me. We can now ignite our fire, put on the pan, and we start frying our kebabs. We can now put in our oil, put in a good amount such that the kebab can be dipped properly. We now start dipping one by one as we put into our pan. You see that, guys? Nice and slow. Let's go to the pan. Ooh. Nice and slow. Make sure the fire is not too much. It shouldn't be too much to allow it become ready very well. Nice and slow. When you dip the first time into the eggs, there are some people who love too much eggs. What you can do is when you put out this, when it's ready, and you put it out of the fire, you can redip the second time and then fry once again. If you want the third time still, if it's not enough for you, you put again in your eggs and then fry once again. And our lovely kebabs are ready. You start putting them out of the oil slowly, nice and slowly, nice and slowly, nice and slowly, guys. Me, I am not going to dip the second time into the eggs. No, these eggs are just enough for me. Well, guys, as you can see, our kebabs are ready. It is time to have a taste. Look at that, guys. Great. Well, guys, for more of my fun cooking videos, please endeavor to always like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more of my videos. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.